Hi, my name is David, and welcome to the private preview of Grafana Private Data Source Connect over Tailscale. Grafana Private Data Source Connect, or PDC, allows you to securely query data sources on your private network without you having to open your private network to inbound traffic. Today, PDC is used by thousands of Grafana Cloud customers who use it to query a wide variety of data sources. PDC is available to all tiers of Grafana Cloud, so it benefits all users, from people running hobby projects or home labs to large enterprises. Currently, the only way to use PDC is to run PDC agents in your network. PDC agents establish a secure connection to your Grafana Cloud stack, allowing you to query your private data sources. The PDC agent is simple to run, but any additional software creates an extra operational burden for users. Today, Grafana Labs and Tailscale are previewing a simpler and more powerful alternative to PDC agents for those who use Tailscale to configure their private networks. PDC over Tailscale allows you to connect to any data source supported by a PDC running on your telnet directly from your Grafana Cloud stack without having to run any additional software on your infrastructure. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is my Grafana Cloud instance, and from here I want to query a MySQL database that I have running on my telnet. Here are the machines on my telnet. I've got this My Computer machine, and that's where the MySQL database is running. To query this database from my Grafana Cloud instance, I'll first need to create an auth key. So I'll go to Settings, Keys, and generate an auth key here. I'll give it the name of my stack. I'll make it reusable, which we need to be able to create new in-process Tailscale servers. I'll make it ephemeral, and I'll add a tag that I created to be able to identify these machines. I'll copy that key, and I'll go to my Grafana Cloud instance. From here, I'll create a new data source, a MySQL one. I'll use the machine name on my telnet as the host name with a port. I have a sample employees database running on that database instance, and I created some authentication. And then under the Private Data Source Connect section here, I can click on this new Tailscale tab. I can add a machine label. I'm going to add my stack name here, and that will become part of the machine name that Grafana Cloud adds to the machines on your telnet. I'll paste in my auth key here. For private preview, we need to paste auth keys in for each individual data source. You can use the same key in multiple data sources, and in the future releases, we hope to have a single place to manage those. So we click Save and Test on this. That stands up an ephemeral machine on your telnet and sends a query on it. And then we can see some of the data, like so. If we go back to the Tailscale admin console now, we'll be able to see that there's at least one new machine being added by Grafana Cloud. So it's got your stack identifier, the machine label that we added there. It's also got the tag that we added to our auth key, and we've got this ephemeral label that shows you that these can appear or disappear at relatively short notice. So there's a preview of how you can query private data sources with PDC over Tailscale. This feature will be available to all tiers with Grafana Cloud and Tailscale. If you're interested in getting access to this feature, please fill out the form linked in this blog post, and the team will be in touch with you as soon as we can. Thank you.